Number 1. 1953 Chevrolet Pickup, $2,000, New River, Arizona. This 1953 Chevrolet Pickup is a classic post-war 3/4-ton truck powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. It shows around 60,000 miles, odometer not working, and has been sitting for about 25 years, though it reportedly ran when parked. The body is rust-free, a major plus fact, but it is missing a carburetor and has some dents, requiring mechanical and cosmetic work. With a clean title and solid structure, it is a great low-cost project for restoration or a rat rod build. Number 2. 1979 Ford F350 Flatbed Dually, $2,500, Washougal, Washington. This 1979 Ford F350 Flatbed Dually is a heavy-duty classic truck powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. Located in Washougal, Washington, it runs and drives, making it a solid restoration candidate. The odometer shows 10,588 miles, rolled over. Recent maintenance includes new tires, water pump, radiator hoses, starter, sensors, engine control module, and alternator. It needs minor repairs such as a flywheel ring replacement, a small weld on the water pump, and has a cracked windshield. With its flatbed, sideboards, and locking toolbox, it remains a practical truck for work or restoration. Number 3. 1963 Ford Ranchero, $4,000, Willis, Texas. The 1963 Ford Ranchero combines car-like styling with pickup utility, powered by a straight 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed column shift manual. Located in Willis, Texas, it runs and drives but needs work to be fully roadworthy. It has 4 new tires, but the body shows filler and rust, requiring floor pan repairs. A desirable collector vehicle, this example is best suited for a manageable restoration project. Number 4. 1976 Ford F150 XLT Ranger, $4,500, Yakuts, Oregon. This 1976 Ford F150 XLT Ranger is an appealing original condition pickup located in Yakuts, Oregon. It features the highly regarded 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. With just over 23,000 miles indicated, this 2-wheel drive truck retains its original paint and is described as rust-free, which significantly enhances its value. While the interior requires attention, the truck is mechanically sound and enjoyable to drive. The XLT Ranger trim adds a level of desirability due to its upgraded features compared to base models. Overall, this is a solid and honest classic truck with excellent preservation potential. Number 5. 1976 Toyota Hilux, $4,900, Hillsboro, Oregon. The 1976 Toyota Hilux is a durable, compact classic truck powered by a 20R 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. Located in Hillsboro, Oregon, it has around 160,000 miles and was recently used as a daily driver. It has received extensive maintenance, including brakes, ignition components, clutch master cylinder, hoses, catalytic converter, and fluids. With newer tires and emissions compliance, this reliable Hilux offers both usability and classic appeal. Number 6. 1956 Ford F600 dump truck, $4,300, Port Orchard, Washington. This 1956 Ford F600 is a medium-duty classic truck equipped with a 292 cubic inch V8 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and a 2-speed rear axle. Located in Port Orchard, Washington, it runs but is not yet road ready. Originally used as a potato hauler, it retains its functional dump bed. The truck has received several updates, including new wheels and tires valued at over $5,000, a rebuilt seat, a new fuel tank, and a new master brake cylinder. While the windshield and rear glass are in good condition, the doors and wiring require attention. This F600 is a substantial restoration project with strong mechanical fundamentals and unique historical utility appeal.
Number 7. 1979 Dodge D50 to $1,500, Benson, Arizona. The 1979 Dodge D50 is a compact pickup developed in collaboration with Mitsubishi, featuring a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Located in Benson, Arizona, this example has undergone modifications, including a lift and chassis stretch, and is in the process of being converted from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. Currently not operational, it is clearly a project vehicle. However, the body is described as being in near perfect condition, which is rare for a truck of this age. This D50 offers a unique opportunity for enthusiasts interested in custom builds or off-road projects.
Number 8. 1980 Ford F150 Custom Stepside, $7,500, Costa Mesa, California. This 1980 Ford F150 Custom Stepside is a one-owner barn find located in Costa Mesa, California. Powered by its original 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed column-shift manual transmission, it has approximately 105,000 miles and remains in excellent condition. The truck features a clean title and is currently on non-operational registration status. It is described as completely rust-free and runs and drives without issues. The step-side configuration enhances its visual appeal, making it a standout among classic pickups. This example is ideal for collectors seeking a well-preserved, highly original truck that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet R3500 Dually, $4,500, Modesto, California. The 1989 Chevrolet R3500 Dually represents the final generation of the iconic square body trucks, powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission. Located in Modesto, California, this rear-wheel drive truck has approximately 90,000 miles and is reported to be in excellent condition. It runs and stops well, with all features functioning properly. Known for their durability and work capability, these dually trucks are increasingly appreciated in the collector market. This example is particularly attractive for buyers seeking a dependable classic truck that can still perform heavy-duty tasks such as towing or hauling. Number 10. 1967 Ford F150 Long Bed, $9,000, Wheat Ridge, Colorado. This 1967 Ford F150 Long Bed is a desirable barn find located in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it features rear-wheel drive and a clean title. While the odometer reading is not specified, the truck is described as being in very good overall condition with a solid body structure, which is especially important for vehicles from this era. The long bed configuration adds utility, and the Colorado origin suggests minimal rust exposure. With its strong condition and classic styling, this F100 is a valuable candidate for preservation or light restoration.